Assalamu alaikum. This is Rakib Islam, ID 242333279. Section F. My presentation topic is Introduction to Electric Filter. Next slide. Purpose of filters: 1. Remove unwanted noise or interferences. Separate signal of different frequency. Sharp signal. Next slide. Classification of filters: low pass filters, high pass filters, and band pass filters and band stop filters. High pass filters: frequency below cutoff, frequency above cutoff. High pass: frequency above cutoff, frequency below cutoff. Band pass: a specific frequency band, outside that band. Band stop: all except a frequency band, a specific frequency band. Next slide. Application of filters: audio, electronics, radio communication, biomedical instrument. Passive versus active filters. Passive filters use only resistors, capacitor, inductor, no gain, do not amplify signal. Active filters include OP, amperes or transistor, can amplify signals. Thank you.